single-day increase of positive cases in a span of 24 hours with 130 new cases, the majority of them surfacing within the walls of both federal and state prisons. According to the State Department of Health, 46 inmates, 8 staff members, and 1 independent contractor tested positive at the federal prison in Forest City. At the Cummins unit, 43 inmates, all housed in one barrack, tested positive. 193 healthcare workers have tested positive for the virus. 58 of those have recovered. 74 Arkansans remain hospitalized, and of those, 28 are on a ventilator. 391 Arkansans have recovered, and 30 have died.
And during his daily briefing, Governor Asa Hutchinson and the state's #1 doctor talked more about the latest cases confirmed in the state. Our Jay Burr was at today's meeting and joins us with what happened. Hey, Jay.
Yeah, good evening, guys. You mentioned that largest one-day jump here in the state of Arkansas since the COVID-19 pandemic took hold here. And of those 130 cases, 98, like you guys said, came from the prison systems. And of that 98, 55 coming from the Varner unit there in Forest City, 46 inmates, 8 staff, 1 independent contractor. And at the Cummins Supermax, one of those barracks seen 43 of the 46 inmates within that barrack test positive. And officials say it is only within this single barrack at this time, and so far only 1 inmate has needed to be hospitalized. And officials say there's also a Little Rock Corrections facility with 27 positive cases, a drug rehab facility with 15 residents and 9 staff that have tested positive, and the state hospital has had 7 positive cases come up. The governor was asked on releasing some of the prisoners from the Cummins unit would happen in order to prevent the spread of this virus. Here's what he had to say.
This is probably an example of where that would be unwise. There's a reason that these inmates are in a maximum security unit. Now, if it spreads more broadly, there are potential plans that we could look at some offenders that are close to their release date, but we're not close to having to do that now.
Now, the state has also received a lot of questions about summer camps coming up. A lot of those start at the end of May, get into June, and they said they will be releasing some guidance on those coming up later in the week. Also, the governor announcing and also issuing an executive order for a 7-person advisory panel to sort of guide the state on what policies they should take on or even start to loosen up once the state gets on the downward slope of this curve that we've all been talking about here. Now, he did also reiterate that Arkansas not quite in that position yet to start even thinking about loosening up some of those restrictions, but the governor says he does want to start to have a plan in place for when that time does come about. Live from the state capitol, Jay Burr, Fox 16 News.